Hello everyone, so today we're going to be learning about area of composite figures. So the objective of today's lesson is going to be that by the end of today, you can break a composite shape into rectangles and right triangles, find each area, and add them to solve real-world problems. So let's begin. So over here we have this rectangular figure. So this whole line is 10. And then that is 7. So then 10 minus 7 is 3, which means that's 3. And we're going to name this rectangle 1, 2. So area of rec 1, we know the formula is base times height. So this is equal to base is 5 and height is 3 is equal to 15, let's say, meters squared. And then 2 is equal to 11 times 7 is equal to 77. And then the total is equal to 77 plus 15 is equal to 92 meters squared. So I will post some practice problems. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out now, on the email, and thank you for watching.